Uh, Hi everyone. So today I'll show you how to register your property, that is your hotel, your homestay, or your uh, own house in our website, which is welcomeji.com. So we are a company based in Uttarakhand, and we are presently looking for partners who can list their property with us, and we can provide them users through our website, which would act as a portal for the users. So we are presently active in some 35 locations in Uttarakhand, and are looking for partners in these areas. And these are all the areas which are having a lot of potentials because of its ecotourism uh, nature. So first of all, you'll see whenever you log into our website welcomeji.com, you'll see this home page, and in this menu you'll see list your property. So first of all, you have to click this button, register as partner, and once you click this, you will be directed to a page, register as partner. So you have to select all these fields. Just write the email ID where you will get this confirmation. Select your password, repeat it, and then click on our terms and condition agreement and register it. Once you click on the register button, you will be shown this message that your account was successfully created. Please click the activation link in the email that you provided. So I'll go to my email, and you can see I just got a email confirmation from welcomeji.com. Click on this activation link, and you will be redirected to a page where you'll see the message user account successfully activated. Please proceed to login page. So you can log in from here. Once you select this button, you have to submit your username that you've just created and the password, and simply log in. So once you log in, you will be redirected to our home page. So again, you go to the menu. You have already registered as partner. Now you have to create your room for your hotel, and click on the create rooms button. So you can see that now you are directed to a dashboard page, and this link is already highlighted, which is submit room types, and the form is create room types. So in the title you are supposed to write the room type. So room type can be deluxe, semi deluxe, or double room with private bathroom, any. So suppose in my accommodation I have 10 rooms, and they are all deluxe rooms, or so I will write deluxe rooms. So I can give a description to this deluxe room. So you can give a history of your hotel, or the location, or the things to do, whatever you want. So I have created this room by pressing this create button, and then I'll get a message which is called your room type was successfully created. So you can see that this room type and title and description, below this you have some additional fields. So first of all, you have to fill this featured image. So simply you have to click your mouse on this box, and then wherever you have your uh, images saved, I have in my D drive, so you can select the featured image of your rooms. So this is the room we are talking about. So once you get the right sign, correct sign. So it means that this photo is uploaded. Now gallery images, you can select more than one image or any number of images, but featured image has to be one which will show in the cover of your room. So these are all uploaded. So now this is uploaded. Now minimum adult count, how many person you want in a booking to stay, least number of individuals, so it is 1. So and minimum child count, it can be 0, 1 or more, but minimum it has to be 0. Means at least one individual is required for making the booking, this shows. And maximum adult count, that is the total number of beds or total number you have in your room or person you can accommodate. Suppose you can accommodate maximum 2 adults with 2 children or 3, it is up to you. And what is the bed size? Suppose I have a bed size of 6 by 6 feet and the room type is 12 by 12 feet. Meta information is not required. Facilities that I have in my room is I have air condition, and I have free toiletries, I have hair dryer, I have ironing board, so safety deposit box. So these all you can click. Washer, telephone, and then I have TV, private bathroom. So all I will click and then I will update uh, this thing. So once you update it, then it shows your message which is your room type was successfully updated. Now after this, you have created your room type, you are supposed to submit accommodation. So this is a button which is just below the submit room type button. So once you click this, you will see that you get a form which is called create accommodation. Now this is the hotel hotel you are talking about. So you have to write the name of your hotel under the title box. Suppose my hotel name is uh, Hillside Beauty, and again I can give description and I can create this. In the description you can write anything that you wish to describe your hotel. So again you will see featured image box. So friends, in this accommodation you are talking about your hotel, and whole hotel, it can have more than one room types, but we have created only one room type. So this is the gallery again. Now what is the room rent type? I am renting it on a daily basis, so I'll say that it is on a daily basis. Now I'll be asked to I'll be given this option to select these 4 boxes. So you read it and see. I would recommend you not to type anything, not to check anything if you are in a hotel. But because if you disable this room type, then you will be able to only book it as one entity and not as a separate room type of booking you can't take. So and if you select this one, then per basis of booking is on person basis, not on a room basis. If you select this reservation only, so only reservation can be done but payment cannot be made. And inquiry form, I don't see that why you would like to hide this. So just don't check any of these for a hotel. But for what you call the vacation rental, if you have one room, you can disable this room type. So here in the room types, we have already created the deluxe rooms. So select it, and star count, suppose I have a 3-star hotel, and elect accommodation. Again it is a hotel, but if you have a homestay, you can select a location. So they are already built-in locations. So say my accommodation or my hotel is in Bhawali, so it is a small town in Uttarakhand. So facilities is already we can talk about. So if we have car hire facility, if we have beauty salon, and if you have fitness center, hairdresser, or if you have a lounge, private bathroom, we already have home service, and then we have a restaurant, so you can select from here. Tax, so this is the option. If you have a riverside hotel, you can select it. It is in a religious place or it is in a city, so you can select multiple options also. So because I've on my location, I've already shown as Bhavali, so it is a what you call the eco tourism place, so I'll select eco and nature. So minimum days stay, so at least 1 day stay is required for make a booking, and maximum days, if you want this option to be unlimited, so select 0. Check-in days, any day anybody can check in and anybody can check out any day. Now here is the address, so say my address is 35123 near bus stand. Website address, if I have something, you can write it, so you can see, and if you want to leave some fields, you can leave it. Now contact email ID, it is essential because if somebody wants to inquire you, then you will receive that inquiry in this email ID. Now latitude and longitude. Now for that, I'll recommend you go to a domain which is letlong.net. Just see, just place your address here. So it is bus stand Bhavali. So you will see that the map below, and you want to, if you wish to see your latitude longitude, you can just see it here, copy and paste it in our field, both the latitude as well as the longitude. After that, if you accept credit card, yes, all major credit and debit cards accepted. Check-in time, if you want to check in time to be 11 a.m., just fill it, and checkout time, if you want to make it 10 a.m., just update it after that. And once you update, you will see a message which is called your accommodation was successfully updated. So you have already created your rooms type, like deluxe rooms, and you have already created your accommodation, your hotel name, and but now you have to specify that how many rooms of that particular room type. Let's say you have 10 deluxe rooms, so you have to indicate and the prices in this submit vacancies. So click on the submit vacancy, which is just below the submit accommodation. Write the name of the season, say suppose it is for 2018, and accommodation, this is the name of your accommodation that you have created before this step. And the room type for this accommodation you have already created, like this is the deluxe rooms, so you have created during your submit room types. So what is the number of available rooms? Say I have 10 deluxe rooms in my accommodation, which is Hillside Beauty. And what is the price of this? Suppose it is 1500, and for weekend, if it is, I can specify a different rate for a weekend. So, and the start date means from when you want your booking to start. Suppose from 19th I want, and end date is till the last of this year, so I'll just select 31st of December. You can specify some other date also. So once you've created this, just submit this by clicking create button. Now you will get the message success, your vacancy was successfully created. So friends, you have created your vacancy. Now you want to check whether your hotel has been created or not. Just go to your home page and simply in the search box select location. So we have selected Bhavali, I hope, location, and you'll see that this hillside beauty uh, this is created. So if you want to see more of this, just see the more information, click on this button and you'll see your complete page. So here this availability, anybody can book by selecting the dates, and in description like the test description, yeah, all major credit cards, check-in checkout date, facilities that you have, air conditioned beauty salon, and location that you have specified, and you can see through this map where your booking is hotel is located. So somebody who will stay can give reviews to this and you can view it from here. So this was the after uh, somebody in click on your page, so this is the link that is open availability, so you can or anybody can book it from here by selecting on the select dates. And since you have indicated your initial date as 19th of February, so bookings are only allowed after this date. So somebody wants to make a booking for 5th of March to 6th of March, so he will just click on these two dates and he will specify the number of adults, because we have allowed only 2 adults for this booking and 2 children, so he can select only maximum 2, but they can select less also but not more than that because we have specified that. And you can see that the booking information is shown here, then click on the proceed button. I'm showing you because somebody if wants to book, how they can book and how the system works, I want to show you. Now again the product and the price and the quantity that was specified by the user of your accommodation. So after it the user will go to proceed to check out. Just he will write his name and email ID, whatever it is, and he has the facility to do the payment at the time of check-in, so through cash on delivery option, so you can place the orders here. So once you click on the place order button, so he will be redirected to order receipt page checkout, and he can see the order number and email ID through which the booking was done. So that's it. So friends, this is all about our video, and we are doing uh, what you called a good job, and I hope that I'll get your support, and you will list your property with our platform, which is welcomeji.com, and it welcomes the users, the clients, like anything. And uh, if you like this video, you can just give me a thumbs up also, and thank you for watching this.